Missing someone.
Good morning, my loves. How you doing? So let's make some Swahili bhajia. The ingredients are gram flour, chapamandashi, baking powder. We are going to also use bicarbonate to make the bhajias more lighter, more crispier. Then we're going to use grated carrots, onions, and dania, which is also known as coriander. And then for our stew or whatever we are going to eat it with, we're going to use ukwaju. Ukwaju is tamarind, yeah? In a basin or in a bowl, put in your gram flour. Honestly, here we just eyeballed the gram flour. Yani tulipima kwa macho. We're going to add in 2 teaspoons of baking powder or 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Tutaongeza kijiko kimoja kikubwa cha baking powder au vijiko viwili vidogo vya baking powder. Then you're going to put in half a teaspoon of bicarbonate or baking soda. This will make the bhajia crispy and lighter. So kisha tunaenda kuongeza kijiko kidogo kinusu cha bicarbonate ama baking soda. Bicarbonate yafanya bhajia iwe crispy, bhajia iwe nyepesi, isiwe na uzito. Okay? We're going to add in garlic. Kisha tunaenda kuongeza saumu iliyopondwa pondwa. Then we're going to add in onions. Tutaongeza vitunguu. Tutaongeza carrots au karoti. We're going to add in carrots. Then we're going to add in coriander. This is 1 full coriander. Kisha tutaongeza dania. Hii ni fungo moja ya dania. Kama wewe ni Mkenya waelewa nikisema fungo moja ya dania. It goes for 10 shillings. Ama yauzwa kwa shilingi 10 au 5. So we're going to add in 2.5 teaspoon of salt. Remember, salt to taste. Salt according to the size of your flour. Tutaongeza vijiko viwili na nusu vya chumvi. Kumbuka unaweka chumvi kulingana na kiasi cha unga yako, kiasi cha unga chako. Okay. Kisha utakoroga kila kitu pamoja. You're going to mix everything together until they are fully mixed. Then we're going to add in water after this has been fully mixed. Tutaongeza maji baada ya kukoroga everything together. So this is how it's going to look. Itaka hivi. If you've ever cooked puff or kaimati, it's going to have the same consistency as puff or kaimati. In a sufuria, in a cooking pan, we're going to put in oil and heat it up. Make sure that the oil is hot, and then we're going to drop in the bhajia 1 by 1 like I'm doing. Kwenye sufuria tunaenda kuweka mafuta ya kukaanga. Kisha tunaenda kuiwacha ishike moto. Alafu tuta drop bhajia 1 by 1 kama ninavyofanya kwenye video. is our Swahili bhajia served with ukwaju and some cabbages. I'm going to put in the recipe of the ukwaju after this video. So if you're watching this video, the recipe for the ukwaju will be up next week, or it's probably up right now. And then as for the cabbage, I have a cabbage recipe that I made. That cabbage can also be eaten with this Swahili bhajia. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, click on that notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Asante sana kwa kutazama channel yangu. Usisahau kusubscribe kwenye hii channel, kisha nitawaletea recipe ya ukwaju wiki unaokuja. Kama unatazama hii video, recipe ya ukwaju already iko hapa kwenye YouTube, nenda itazame. Sawa sawa, asante sana. Usisahau kubonyeza the subscribe button. Bye bye.